If you struggle with gear storage options, then this might just be the item for you. This is the Vanquest Sticky Cubes, size medium. The dimensions are 9.5 inches long by 6.5 inches wide by 1 inch deep. This thing is very heavy duty, high quality ripstop nylon, big Spartan zip tabs. And what I love about this is just all that storage capacity. There's nothing worse than throwing items in your backpack, having them sink to the bottom and you can't find them. I can keep camera gear in here, small items, toiletries, etc. Has a see-through mesh window. But the coolest feature about this pack is its expandability. Right over here, there's this small zipper. Just work that around all the way. And we instantly have blown out storage. Now we just gained 2.5 inches in depth. This is a total of 3.5 inches now in depth. So look at that. This thing is very large. We can fit a lot of items in there. I've even used this to keep some of my night clothes in, long johns, underwear, extra socks, etc. It's perfect. Compresses up nicely. You can wad it up. Very strong. Easy to clean material. Semi-waterproof. Like I said, if you don't want that expandability, you just zip this back up. And now we're back to our regular size. Still very large, easily fit all your small items in. On the back, it has all these heavy-duty Velcro tabs. You can adhere that to any Velcro surface. Nice big pull handle. Pull it off. If you're not using them, keep those in place. Highly recommend this for any of your storage needs. Keep everything nice, tidy, and organized. This is the way to go.